Welcome to the photography and image editing channel. My name is David and I'm an Irish photographer, and also I work as a professional fine art printer in Helsinki, Finland. My channel focuses on photography and image editing, so it contains practical tutorials on photography and image editing techniques. I mainly focus on using applications such as Adobe Photoshop and the free image editor GIMP. The types of cameras that I use in my own photographic practices is the Sony A7r II and the Shen Hao 4x5 field camera. So the types of image editing techniques that we focus on in the channel will be practical techniques, for instance, landscape photography, setting up your camera, your tripod, how to use filters to get better images, better balanced exposures. We also look at image editing techniques to speed up your workflow. So for instance, using actions and droplets to help get faster image edits if you're editing multiple images. And we also look at other techniques such as integrating text with images, how to composite layers in Photoshop, and also in the free image editor GIMP. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.